Oh, it's so cold out. It's so cold. Welcome everybody. Take you along for the ride today. Got some no heats, obviously. It's fucking freezing. Yeah. Anyways, take you along for the ride. Here we go. Alright, up and away. Boom. So boom. Alright. Let me get up there, see what we got. Alright, crunchity, crunch, crunch. Yeah, shit's gonna be slick. Oh. Oh, my fucking glove on, hold on. Alright. God damn it. Alright, let me get my glove on. Alright. Had a bad view today. Can't complain. No heat. It's like 60, 64 in the space. Wait. Oh, wait, I feel heat. Oh, wait, it's cycling. It's cycling on and off. So, let's see why. Probably bad belt or some dirty filters. Fucking drill doesn't even want to work. Fucking little choder boater. Oh, let me. Well, the good news is the heat is kind of working. There we go. Little old baby. Put a fan cycle on it. They didn't have a fan cycle. They run it in fucking when it's still cool outside. They run the AC because it's a coffee shop. So not horrible. I'm like, what is that noise? Let's see what we got going on in here. Working real good, bud. Real good. Oh yeah. Crunchity, crunch. Alright, let's see how we get to this fucking blower motor. Right there. Real pretty stretch. Good news is what is this blower? Alright, let me get a temp probe in there. Right there. I got it reset. I may have to jump it out because I think that thermostat is silly down there. Pretty sure it's kind of silly. Let's see where our blower. Gosh darn it. Let's see where our fucking blower speed is. If we can change it at all. I don't know. So we've only got black, blue, white. Yeah, I don't see where you're gonna be able to change the speed on that blower. So that's pretty crappy. Let me jump this thing out real quick. Alright, got it jumped out. Get that damn glove back on. Let's see what it do. just have to clean that flame sensor. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm definitely going to pull the igniter and the flame sensor and give them a little cleaning. But yeah, I put this fucking candle back so you're not sucking in carbon monoxide to the building, just a little bit, so I can see the fucking blower. We'll do that. And this one we can do like that. And that'll help a little bit. Said he smelled a burning smell and there was no heat. Well, we obviously saw it cycling, which is good. But let's see what's up with this. Yeah, that's crazy. I mean, it is what it is. Unused black. Let me see if there's a schematic. Let's see if we can bump up this speed and heating here. Speed motor taps. Jumper required. If the jumper is not used, connect blue wire to the heat terminal. If the jumper is not used, connect blue wire to the heat. Can we use unused black? If the jumper is not used, connect blue wire so the jumper is used. Interesting. I'm thinking maybe I could just move that fucking... See, it's pulling that fucking shit right in there. If the jumper is not used, connect blue wire to the heat terminal. Jumper required. Okay. That's weird. That's fucking weird. The light goes to the top of the contactor. That's easy. Looks like they're using blue and unused. Says black. If you go to the schematic, I don't see a terminal that says unused. I don't know. I'll tell you one thing though, it's up and fucking doing the best I damn can. And it's definitely not overheating, that's for sure. It's fucking 92. So there we go. Let me get a little booter. Let me just pull the igniter, clean the flame sensor and shit. And then we'll retry it here. Alright, so I put the black on instead of the blue. So, we'll see if black speeds this thing up a little bit. The problem with that is you're going to lose some heat. The only reason I just want to see if the blower fucking ramps up. Because if it's only supplying 93 on fucking, let's call it heat speed, then it's going to fucking drop significantly if you put it on a higher speed, which is not good. So, it might just be this building. They have a lot of glass windows. The traffic is fucking crazy down there, in and out all day. So, and their other system is only like for their back kitchen. So, it's like the main, and it's just, in my opinion, too fucking small. Yeah, see, that didn't do anything. Nothing. Shabam. Alright. Get this guy cleaned off. Shabam. Little pant wiper, dude. Good enough. Alright, cool. I already got that one. Alright. It's fucking cold out today, so. Alright, let's try this again. Let it run for a little bit, and we'll tune back in here in a second. Well, the supply's at 102. Just wanted to double check to make sure that one wasn't for their space too, which it's not. I've been here quite a few times. I should know by now, but Yeah, this one they have a split system for the back kitchen, but the back kitchen really doesn't need heat because it's the kitchen. And they have this little tiny thing, a little 4-burner trying to fucking heat this whole fucking space, dude. With glass windows front and back. And probably 1,000 people a day in and out. So I'm gonna watch it for a couple more minutes here, but not much more that I can do here without getting a new rooftop unit and maybe upgrading some ductwork. Alright, let's see what we got. Last time I was here, the screw came out of the blower wheel and it was fucking all janked out and wedged in there, so it wasn't damaged, but I know I can hear the blower for sure. So obviously my blower did a good job. Alright, let me get this guy opened up and see what we got. Alright, got it opened up. We got ourselves a 2-flash code. Which I'm guessing it's this fucking inducer that's stuck, but let's see if we have power there. Ready? Bad inducer. Maybe get lucky. If you want to be slick, we could check with our meter too. Might as well, right? What's a 2-flash code on this? I don't fucking know. Where does it tell you flash codes? There we go, 2 flashes. Switch open with inducer on. It's gotta be 3 flashes then. Definitely 2 flashes, but I tell you what, I tell you one thing, that inducer motor's bad. I'll cycle it again. Let's see if we can get a really good. Gives ourselves a real good spinners. Let's see what that does for us here. Let's see what that does for us here. Want to see the coolest meter ever? Look at how tiny that is. Amp probe. Check it out. Bought this little pocket thing to see. So I was tired of just carrying shit. I'm like, look at this little fucking tiny meter. And you're thinking, yeah, it's a piece of shit. I thought the same fucking thing. But it's actually really nice. Battery. Auto. You got everything you need on here except amps. So, yeah, amp probe. Pretty fucking cool. Just want to double check just to see. I think I have to jump this one out. Hold on, let me jump this fucker out. But yeah, that meter is pretty fucking cool. It's tiny too. It's like paper thin. I was like, this is a joke, but I kind of like it. It's a little cutie. She's trying. Yeah. She's toasty. Alright, let me see if I can get a motor. Bum 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 bum. The vent or motor. Now down assembly hill. Very well. Shabam. Take some screws out. Get that guy out. Shabam. Ready? Let's see if we get lucky. Oh, just like that. So this side, oh, goes down. So we'll do it like that. All right, get that guy out of there now. Cut the wire. Couple bolts. What's that? All right, shabam. That went on nice. Little spacers. Those are 3/8. Make sure you put nylog on here for absolutely no reason. Make sure you do that. That'll be good. All right. Shada bang, shada boom. Shada bang, shada boom. Here we go. We are back up and eating. Shada bang, shada boom. All right. Let me get the panels back on. And I gotta go look at a hood system like an hour and a half away. So, and it's my birthday tomorrow, bitch. Sweet. So it was pretty funny. I was on the roof and there was another guy working up there. And he was like, "Do you do YouTube videos?" I was like, "Yeah." I got dirt all over me. The fuck? All that dust. Anyways, he recognized me from YouTube. I thought it was pretty cool. Trying to make people's day a little bit better. Alright, we gotta go look at this hood system now. This one just keeps tripping the reset down there, so it's crazy because this motor looks pretty good to me, but you know, get a new motor in here. This one's just a belt, so see which one of these belts is easiest fit. Got about 70 belts on the truck, so yeah, it's like there's no noise. You can tell I greased the bearings pretty good. And yeah, so anyways,
no, yo traje la bolsa y la vacié. Sí, el lunes. Y estaban congeladas.
yeah, it's that motor that's bad. Alright, easy peasy. Gotta get a new motor for that one. It's just crazy. You even put the belt a little bit looser just to see, and it still trips that overload down there. I try to jack up that overload a little bit so I can get the motor in here. So anyways, that's about it. Like it, subscribe it, and later.